we're doing it without shaving cream.
And wait, we need 4 ingredients.
Ingredients.
We need 3 ingredients and 1 cup of water and 1 bowl.
Okay. Let's get started. All you need is some PVA glue, Yoo-Hoo, or Elmer's.
We're making the most southeast side in the whole world of the kingdom so nobody can make it like us.
We're gonna need a foaming hand wash, some borax, and an empty silver bowl. Let's pour in the ingredients.
Yes.
And then you can do the glue.
I'm helping you.
Let's just get all of the remaining off.
Now, this is so gooey. And it can even stick on your hand and you can rub it off.
Number 2, 4 squirts of foaming hand wash. That should be enough. Now I just have to mix it a little bit thoroughly.
Wow, that's so good. Time to add the boards. 1 teaspoon of bacon.
You can get this borax at Kmart, Woolies, Target, and it's pretty cheap.
And Kmart.
Now, you can mix the borax.
Well, I need your help.
Got it. Okay, I'll put in the borax. This is what we use to make our activity.
Time to put borax in the glue.
Now put the squirts. And then you have to mix it with the borax.
Boraxes, I love boraxes.
Ooh. Now it's time for us to get a little messy here.
Yeah.
Something I like to do. The coloring! Coloring is totally optional. You don't have to do it, but you can do it if you want.
Yeah, I really want this.
This slime is going really fluffy.
I'm gonna put, I didn't know which
Which color do you want?
Blue slime.
Okay, now let's put a little bit of yellow to make it a little brighter. Blue slime!
Look guys, it's so stretchy. Stretchy. Do you want to do it with me?
Yeah!
Let's... Look at it guys, it's all blue now. So stretchy. This is so fun to play with. Why is it ready?
It's the moment. Let's see how stretchy it is.
Wow!
This is what I do after I make a slime. And this is very satisfying. I hope you try this slime at home. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button, turn on those post notifications so you can know when a brand new video is coming. See you all next time. Bye!